Stayed up all night selling cocaine and hash to an undercover cop who had a sister named Jan. For reasons unexplained, she loved the monkey man. Tweety was a Boy Scout before she went into Vietnam, and found out the hard way nobody gives a damn. They knew that they found freedom just across the Jersey line, so they hopped into a stolen car, took Highway 99, and the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. The undercover cop never liked the monkey man. Even back in childhood, he wanted to see him in the can. Jack got married at 40 to a racketeer named Bill. She made secret calls to the monkey man from a mansion on the hill. It was out on Thunder Road, Tweeter at the wheel. Crashed into paradise, they could hear them tires squeal. Undercover cop pulled up and said, "Everything, you're a liar. You don't surrender now. Go down to the wire." And the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they standing, never saw them when they fell. An ambulance rode up, state trooper close behind. Tweety took his gun away and messed up his mind. The undercover cop was just tied to a tree near the souvenir stand by the old manufactory. Next to the other cop was hot in pursuit, taking the whole thing personal, he didn't care about the loot. Jan just stuck out hanging, told him many times it wasn't you and me. Caught up in Jersey and these niggas, you don't get caught for free. And the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they standing, never saw them when they fell. Someplace in Rahway's prison just ran out of gas. The undercover cop had got a corner, say, "Boy, you didn't think that would last." Jan by the bath and said, "There's someplace I gotta go." She took the gun out of the drawer and said, "It's best if you don't know." The undercover cop was face down, Phil the monkey man was on the river bridges and tweeted as a shield. Jan said to the monkey man, "I'm not fooled by sweetest girl. I know him long before you ever became the Jersey girl." And the walls came down all the way to hell. Never saw them when they're standing, never saw them when they fell. Jersey City is quieting down again. I'm sitting in a gambling club called the Lion Stand. The TV set was blown up, every bit's gone. Ever since that nightly news showed up, the monkey band was on. Oh, guess I'll go down to Florida and get myself some sun. There ain't no one opportunity here, everything's been done. Sometimes I don't think of Tweeter symptoms, I think of Jan. Something's about nothing but the monkey man.